In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download SRT files from Happy Scribe. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to work with subtitles or closed captions, whether for video creation, educational purposes, or improving accessibility. So let's dive right into it and make sure everything is as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Happy Scribe account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, which is essentially your home base for managing all your transcription and subtitle projects. On this dashboard, you should see a list of your files. Find the specific file from which you want to download the SRT subtitles. This step is crucial because each file corresponds to a unique project, and selecting the right one will ensure you export the correct subtitles. After you've selected your file, you will need to proceed to the export option. You can usually find this option within the File menu or toolbar. The export feature is your gateway to saving your work in different formats, which brings flexibility and ease to your workflow. And don't worry about making mistakes here. You can always go back to the dashboard and start again if needed. Once you've accessed the export settings, you'll be presented with several options for exporting your file. Your next step is to select the subtitle script option. Subtitle scripts are specifically formatted to ensure the text aligns correctly with the corresponding media in playback devices or software. By choosing this setting, you're preparing to extract the SRT file format that you need. Now, the pivotal part of this process is to confirm the format you want. Ensure that the format is set to subrip or .srt. This format is widely compatible and is the industry standard for subtitle files, which makes it highly versatile for various applications, whether you're uploading to video platforms like YouTube or integrating them into editing software. After ensuring that you've selected subrip.srt as your format, it's time to hit the Export File button. This action will download the SRT file to your device, usually saved in your default Downloads folder, though this can vary depending on your browser settings. Once downloading is complete, your SRT file is ready for use in any number of applications that support this format. And that's pretty much it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated through Happy Scribe to download an SRT file, a process that becomes quicker and more intuitive with each use. Remember that having subtitles can greatly enhance your content by making it more accessible to a wider audience, including those with hearing impairments or people who speak different languages. Happy subtitling?